In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Spaces, Google Tasks to Gmail. We're going to turn on Google Chat inside Gmail so you can use Spaces for team collaboration and see tasks integrated alongside your inbox. This takes just a minute on the desktop version of Gmail, and it works with both personal and most work accounts, depending on your organization's settings. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing in if you aren't already. Make sure you're using the standard Gmail view, not the basic HTML version, so the options we need are available. Next, look to the top right of Gmail and click the gear icon to open Quick Settings. This panel shows common options, but we need the full settings area to enable chat. At the top of the Quick Settings panel, click See All Settings. This opens the full settings menu with tabs across the top for things like General, Labels, and more. Find and select the Chat and Meet tab. This is where Google keeps all the controls for chat, spaces, and the Meet panel inside Gmail. If you don't see this tab, it may be restricted by your organization, in which case you'll need an admin to enable it. In the chat section, choose Google Chat. This switches Gmail from classic Hangouts or off to the modern chat experience that includes spaces. Selecting this option tells Gmail to add the chat features to your left sidebar, scroll down if needed, and click Save Changes. Gmail will usually reload itself to apply the update. If it doesn't, go ahead and refresh your browser so the new chat interface appears. After the page reloads, look at the left sidebar. You'll now see Chat and Spaces sections along with Meet. Click Chat to open the chat panel and then click New Chat. From here, you can start a direct conversation or begin collaborating with a group by creating or opening a space. This confirms that Chat and Spaces are now active in your Gmail. You'll also notice the right-hand sidebar, which includes icons for Calendar, Keep, and Google Tasks. With Chat and Spaces enabled, Tasks integrate smoothly, letting you keep track of personal to-dos and items that come from conversations or emails, all without leaving Gmail. If you don't see the chat options, double-check that you're using a supported account and browser, and that no extensions are blocking Gmail's interface. On managed accounts, your admin might control this feature. And that's it. You've enabled Google Chat, brought Spaces into Gmail, and made sure Google Tasks is right alongside your inbox.